In front of me is TCL 60 SE NXTpaper, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Safety and Emergency. Following that, tap on Emergency Contacts and finally hit Add Contact to click on the one you wish to set up. Then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. When you finished and want to change order of your contacts on the list, hit Reorder at the top right corner. Hold one of your contacts and drag it to the proper place. Then let go. To discard your changes, click on this X at the top left corner. To save them, hit Save at the top right one. To remove any of your contacts, click on this X next to the one you wish to get rid of and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!